Almost. I almost slammed it. Oh, hey guys! Welcome to the first episode of the new series of the 1970 TR6. So I already showed you a very quick, brief video of this car with the history that it has with me and how it came here. Again, if you haven't seen that episode, I'm gonna explain it very quickly. So this was a car that I was working on in the limousine center where I used to work for someone, and we were doing a little bit of Triumph work there, and this is one of the cars that I was working on. However, my boss got into a fight with the owner, and basically the owner picked up the car unfinished. This is the stage this car was brought to in that shop, except the paint. The paint was done in a different shop. The customer picked it up in this stage, kept it in his garage for 3 years, and now that I don't work in that shop anymore, he contacted me and he asked if I can finish it in my shop. And since it's such a big project, I didn't want to do it in the summer, so I asked him to bring it in the fall. So now it is the fall, actually it's almost winter, and the car is here. So we need to finish it now. So that's basically what I have to do now, continue the restoration from where it stopped before. So if you're interested, in order to get yourself ready for the continuation, you might want to go and watch the first 20-something episodes, which I did myself. And actually it is interesting because I realized how inexperienced I was in filming and editing and all that, because the videos are with not great quality, my accent is even worse than now. The way I talk even is so awkward because you can tell that I don't have any confidence, like I'm camera shy and all that. So anyways, long story short, in this episode I'm gonna give you a preview of all the 20-something previous episodes. I'm just gonna take a little section from here and there and just show you in one episode what happened in the previous 20. So if you're interested, you can go and watch all these, or if you're not, just watch this one and you're gonna be up to date with the situation in which the car is. So just sit back, I'm gonna play some music for you. Maybe I'm gonna talk a little bit, maybe not, we'll see, and just enjoy. Let's go home. And this is how one of the first Rusty Beauties on the channel came back to me now. And we're gonna go on a journey together until she's ready to drive out of here, complete with all the interior, exterior, and everything. Ready to go on the road and ready to go to car shows. So that's it for today. Stay tuned, because in the next episode we're gonna go through all these parts, which are probably 1/3 of the parts that belong to the car. I probably have another pile like this in my storage room, but I went through all the parts and I think these are the first ones that I'm gonna need. So this is the only pile I brought. And also John has a lot more parts in his place, which I didn't pick up with the car because I don't have anywhere to store them. We looked through them and we kept these parts there because I'm not gonna need them in those first stages of the assembling. I'm gonna need them much later, so we're gonna bring them when we need them. These are the seats, the hardtop, door cards and stuff like that. We're gonna need those much later. So anyways, stay tuned for the next episode, because in the next episode we're gonna actually start working on the car. So thanks for watching, guys.